Let's try. Get that arm under.
Oh, you were right there. You just had to pull it under.
Good. Can you flip his, no, salmon.
Oh.
Oh!
There you go. Sorry.
Ta-da! Really? Right in front of me?
Okay. You got
Ta-da! Look in there. Say, hi, Bean. Good job, buddy.
it. You gonna show your old back over now?
Hi.
Oh, where's your head, dude?
That doesn't look so comfy. Well,
There you go!
Ta-da!
That's the easy one, huh? That's the easy one. That's gravity. Let's get you back on.